When it comes to restoring and repairing wood surfaces, precision and seamless blending are key to achieving a flawless finish. Mohawk Blendal Sticks are a revolutionary solution designed to simplify the process of color matching and blending for wood touch-ups. Mohawk Blendal Sticks are essentially wax-based crayons that come in a wide variety of colors, meticulously formulated to match various wood tones and shades. They're an indispensable tool for repairing scratches, dents, and other imperfections on furniture, cabinetry, flooring, and any other wooden surfaces. These sticks are highly versatile and can be used on both finished and unfinished wood. So here's how you use them. First, you'll pick out the Blendal stick color that closely matches the wood surface you intend to repair. Mohawk offers an extensive palette of colors, ensuring that you can find the perfect match to your specific product. Then you have to blend. So once you have selected the appropriate Blendal stick, gently rub it back and forth on the damaged area. The wax-based formula will transfer onto the wood, effectively filling in any scratches or any other flaws. The stick's composition allows for easy blending and feathering, ensuring a seamless integration of the repair with the surrounding wood. To protect the repaired surface and enhance its durability, you must apply a sealant to the surface. I use Mohawk Easy Vinyl Sealer and Satin Lacquer. This step will help seal in the repair and provide added protection against future wear and tear. The beauty of Mohawk Blendal Sticks lies in their ability to make wood surface repairs look virtually invisible. Whether you're a professional craftsman, furniture restorer, DIYer, looking to tackle small wood repairs, Mohawk Blendal Sticks offer a reliable and efficient solution. They empower you to achieve remarkable outcomes with minimal effort, making them an invaluable addition to your woodworking toolkit.